The amazing world of bees, nature's hidden engineers. A tiny marvel. Imagine a small creature buzzing around, performing tasks in perfect harmony. This is the life of a bee, a little worker with a big impact on our world. Bees are not just cute, they are essential to our ecosystem and food supply. Each bee plays a role in a complex system that many people do not fully understand. Unseen connections. Have you ever wondered how bees communicate? They use dances. Yes, some bees perform a special dance called the waggle dance to tell others where to find flowers. When a bee finds a patch of flowers, it dances in a figure-8 pattern. This dance shares important details about the flower's location and distance from the hive. A community of workers. Bees live in colonies that can have thousands of members. Each bee has a specific job. Some are foragers that collect nectar and pollen. Others are nurses that take care of the baby bees. There are also guards that protect the hive. This teamwork is essential for their survival and success. Honey, the sweet reward. One of the most amazing products of bees is honey. Bees make honey from nectar they gather from flowers. They store it in their hive as food. To create honey, bees also add enzymes to the nectar. This changes the nectar and makes it sweet. Did you know that bees have to visit millions of flowers to make just 1 pound of honey? The secret life of the queen bee. The queen bee is the most important bee in a colony. Unlike other bees, she is the only one that lays eggs. A queen can lay thousands of eggs every day. But how does she stay healthy? The worker bees feed her a special food called royal jelly. This food helps the queen bee live longer and stay strong. A surprising truth. Here's something that might surprise you. Most people think that bees only sting to defend themselves. However, bees play a critical role in pollination. In fact, they can sting, but they do not want to sting unless they feel threatened. They prefer to focus on their work, collecting nectar and helping plants grow. Isn't it surprising that while they can be aggressive, many bees would rather avoid conflict? The importance of pollination. Pollination is essential for plants to produce fruits and seeds. Many fruits, like apples and blueberries, rely on bees for pollination. Without bees, many plants would struggle to reproduce. This is why bees are often called pollinators of the earth. They help maintain the balance in nature and our food system. Threats to bees. Sadly, bees face many dangers today. Pesticides, habitat loss, and climate change are serious threats. As a result, bee populations are declining in many places. Scientists and environmentalists are worried about what this could mean for food production and ecosystems. How we can help. You can help bees in simple ways. Planting flowers, using fewer pesticides, and supporting local beekeepers are great ways to protect these amazing creatures. By taking these small steps, we can create a better environment for bees to live and thrive. Join the buzz. Have you ever seen a bee in action? Perhaps you watched them dance or noticed them visiting your garden. Their fascinating lives are worth studying and protecting. Bees are small, but their impact on our world is enormous. What are your thoughts on bees? Have you ever tried honey from a local beekeeper? They have many stories and a lot to share about these remarkable insects.